Welcome to UK Pro Reviewer, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech products. In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at the Nulea RT05B wireless ergonomic keyboard. The Nulea RT05B features a unique split design that promotes a more natural typing posture. This design adapts to the natural alignment of your hands, reducing strain during long typing sessions. This keyboard offers seamless transitions between devices with its dual-mode connectivity. You can switch between Bluetooth and 2.4G wireless connectivity, making it versatile for both work and play. Say goodbye to constantly replacing batteries. The Nulea RT05B boasts an impressive 200-hour battery life. This ensures uninterrupted work and productivity. Experience ultimate comfort with the oversized wrist rest made of skin-friendly leatherette. It provides ample support to your wrists, preventing fatigue and strain during extended use. Customize your typing angle with ease. The keyboard features adjustable support tilts. You can choose from 3 different angles to suit your personal preference and ensure ergonomic alignment. The Nulea RT05B is compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems. It can be used with laptops, PCs, and even gaming consoles. This keyboard is well built with a weighty feel, ensuring durability. It measures 16.5 by 9.6 x 1.3 inches and weighs approximately 3.83 pounds. It offers Bluetooth, USB-C, and 2.4G wireless connectivity options. The included USB-C cable can be used for both charging and wired connection. The keyboard includes front and rear feet for customizable tilt adjustments. In conclusion, this keyboard combines ergonomic design, seamless connectivity, and a luxurious wrist rest, making it a great choice for users seeking comfort and productivity. That wraps up our overview of the Nulea RT05B wireless ergonomic keyboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to UK Pro Reviewer for more tech product reviews and updates. Thanks for watching.